I want to be teaching you guys how to trade the US 30. This is a weekend. Today is Saturday, so I'll be teaching you guys how to trade US 30. So now we're on our monthly chart. As you can see, US 30 is in an uptrend. So we can't really get anything from the here. But when we go to our weekly time frame, we can mark out our resistance and our support lines. So let's mark it out. Let's say this, this. So now, how do we come about this resistance and support? Okay, wait. Resistance, and this is our support. Support. So how do we come about our resistance and support? We can, as you can see, the market is going like this. This was a fake breakout. This was a fake out, as people call it, fake out. So we can't really take our support line to that level, since the more resistance were applied at this point here, this point. So this will be our resistance and this will be our support also. Now let's go down to our daily time frame and see what. So from here we can see that there is a strong support at this point here, a strong support. So, and also we can take a look and see the rejection on double occasion on the two candles here. Okay, let's also go down to our 4 hours time frame. Same thing you can also see here. You can also see that market has been moving this way. So it has been moving inside these two ranges. It has been moving inside these two ranges. So let's go to the 4 hours and see if we can, what setup we have here. Okay, also as you can see from here, we have resistance here. There's a resistance here, resistance at this point. So let's wait and see if the market is able to come above this resistance. We will know that our next point of resistance, where we can enter this trade somewhere here. If the market is able to pass through this line of resistance, we can enter our trade somewhere here, and then we can set our take profit at the next possible resistance, which is here, which is at this point. But we will not enter our trade at the 4 hours. We'll have to go to the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Just choose whatever strategy works best for you, whatever time frame works best for you. So we'll go to the 15 minutes. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour and set our point of resistance and support. There's a support here. So there's a support there. Also, we can also mark out this level. There's a resistance. We can mark out this level. This is a support. So okay, let's make support green. Let's make it green so we can identify it easily. Green. Done. Then let's make our resistance red. So it's already red. So this will be our support, and this will be our resistance. So now that we have found our support and resistance, okay, there's also a small tiny resistance, which will serve as a support for this. Let's just make it green also to serve as a resistance for our yeah, at this point here. So now that we have found our support and resistance zone, we can go to the 5 minutes to get um to enter our trade. As you guys know, today is Saturday, market is closed, so this is just an analysis that of what I may be likely to trade, what I'm likely to trade on Monday as soon as the market opens. So you guys can see. So this point, the market came hit this point, got a little drawdown, came above here. Now it has come. So it took a little support, as you guys can see. Now it's going above this support line. It was formerly a resistance, but now it has turned support. So let's say if there are any more. Okay, currently it's on another support, on another resistance zone. Sorry for the use of support when I'm saying resistance. I'm totally used to that. So you guys can see it has taken a new zone. If it passes this resistance zone, then we know that our next resistance zone where our take profit can be will be here. As you guys know, one point one point on US 30 with a 0.01 lot size is equals to $1. So you guys should be really careful about this because it's really volatile. So let's go to, as you have seen, so we can enter our trade somewhere here and set our take profit above here, above somewhere here, our take profit above here. With that, we would have earned about $3 to $5 from this trade. So let's go to our S&P. Okay, let's go to SPX 500. I've analyzed most of my chart yesterday, which was Friday, because I entered a trade on this XPX 500. I entered a trade. Okay, let's go from the daily this time around. So same thing on XPX 500. It has been moving. It did a fake out here, came down, moved, came, moved. So let's go to 4 hours. Now you guys can see I've marked out our support and resistance zone. So this is our support. It broke below support. So where would the next possible support zone come in? The next possible support zone is around here, so it broke it and hit here. So as you guys can see, if as it broke here, we entered the XPX 500 trade at this point, our entry. Okay, let me make it clearer. If our entry was here, then we could have set our take profit at the next possible support zone, which is somewhere here. That is about 3225.85. 3225.85. So as you guys can see, and then if it was able, we could have locked in some profits. If it was able to pass this resistance zone, we would have set our next possible support zone at here, at this point. So that is how we keep trailing it so we are able to reach the final support zone. So as you guys can see, also now it has broke through this. I also traded on this. As it broke above this, as it came into an uptrend, or as it brought this bullish candle, once it breaks above here, we can enter our trade. Once it breaks above this line, once it breaks above this resistance zone, we can enter our trade and set our stop loss. So if it didn't go well in our direction, we could just get out of the trade and know that yes, this is in a reversal pattern, that is going down, not upward. So we enter our trade there. Where is the next possible resistance zone? The next possible resistance zone is here. If it breaks above our resistance zone as it did, where is the next possible resistance zone? The next possible resistance zone is this point here. So by Monday we'll know if it passes it or not. then we can enter our trade. So but we will not enter our trade at this point. We'll go to the 15 minutes or the 5 minute time frame. So as you guys can see, so as it broke through this point, our entry will be here. We'll trail our stop. So our take profit will be here, but we can keep doing a trailing stop, trailing take profit. So we can trail our take profit and enter bigger wins. So because as you know the common saying, cut your losses and ride your winners. So that's how the thing goes. So I hope I see you guys on Monday, so we can continue our analysis from there. Thank you and have a nice day.